Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Q&A. So on my Instagram, I asked you guys to ask me whatever questions you had in mind for me because I've been getting a lot of questions recently saying that I need to make more personal videos. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to make like one video per month, like something that's very personal and not like a everyday video that I make. So, if you don't follow me on my Instagram, don't forget to follow me there because that's where I usually ask you guys to ask me questions or suggestions and etc. So, let's just get started with today's video. Now, before I get started with answering all the questions, generic questions that you had for me, I have a really exciting announcement to make. So on the 31st of March at 11 a.m. at Toady Mill Social, I'm going to be hosting a workshop, and this workshop is going to be all about like YouTubing. So almost on an everyday basis, I receive questions from you guys, like your queries about YouTubing and how to shoot videos, how to edit videos, and just like YouTube in general, and even like for that matter, Instagram, social media, fashion blogging. So everything related to that is going to be covered on the 31st of March. So I really hope to see a lot of you guys there, and we can have like a mini meet and greet towards the end. There's going to be a section where you guys can just ask me questions in general towards the end. So it's going to be a really fun interactive session. So I really hope to see you guys. I will link I'll leave a link in the description box below, and you guys can go ahead and sign up right there. And let's just get started with answering the actual questions. So I think I'm going to start with this or that questions. There are a bunch of them, so I'm just going to speed through them. The first one is mascara or eyeliner. Mascara for sure. I like wearing eyeliner, but just for like videos. Would you rather have no phone for an entire day or not be able to have pizza for your whole life? Obviously, I would rather not have a phone for a day. I don't really care about my phone anyways. I'm more like a in the moment sort of a person, which is why I don't post on my Instagram most of the time. And a lot of you guys get really upset with me for not posting on my stories, but I'm working on it. Would you rather have a local Pani Puri or a 5-star meal? Pani Puri for sure. Would you rather have more followers on Instagram or YouTube? Now, this is a really tricky one. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me. If I had to pick right now, I would say more followers on Instagram because I think I'm doing pretty well on YouTube. But if you guys know anything about like social media, Instagram, personally for me at least, it's very difficult to organically grow followers. Obviously, I don't believe in the concept of buying followers and all of that. So it's been very difficult trying to grow my following on Instagram. So I guess followers on Instagram. Would you rather lose all your makeup or all your clothes? I would rather lose all my clothes. And that's because if I lose all my clothes, I can literally just give myself like maybe a budget of 3,000 to 5,000 and buy like a bunch of clothes from Colaba Causeway or Hill Road. But makeup is very expensive, so I would rather lose all my clothes. Coffee or chai? Actually, neither. I don't really care for either one of them. A morning person or a night owl? Night owl for sure. Netflix or Amazon? Neither. I don't really watch TV series at all. I'm a YouTube kind of a person. Okay, this is a deep one. Would you rather be cheated on or cheat on someone? I would rather be cheated on for sure. I mean, I wouldn't want to be cheated on, but I would rather be cheated on than cheat on someone, if that makes any sense. The next one is, would you rather be a YouTuber and earn less money or quit YouTube and be very rich? 100% I would rather be a YouTuber and earn less money. I never started YouTube with the intention of earning money. Of course, this is what I wanted to do like all my life from the beginning. But first of all, you don't even make YouTube like money as such. I didn't make money for like a year straight, and I was fine doing YouTube. If you're gonna start a YouTube channel with the intention of trying to make money, it's really not gonna work out because it's a process and it takes time. So definitely be a YouTuber and not have money. Those are all the this or that questions. Let's move on to like normal questions. The first one being, do you smoke weed? I got this question last time as well in my assumptions video, and I just forgot to answer it for whatever reason. I'll answer it right now. No, I don't smoke weed. I've never smoked weed. I've never had any drug, and I don't believe in all of that. So next question. Are you planning to get a tattoo or change your hair color? Yes and yes to both the questions. I've been meaning to wear a tattoo for like years now. I know I say that in all of my Q&As, but 2019, I'm most definitely gonna get a tattoo and change my hair color as well. I've been meaning to change my hair color for years again, and I've actually have like colors, like bottles of colors at home, which have probably expired because I just don't do it. But I think this year I will. If not YouTube, what would you do like in life? Honestly, I just want to do YouTube all my life as long as I can. But if I had to quit it for whatever reason, I would like to own a business, which I already do. If you guys have no idea, I own an Instagram page for now, which is called Simba Lifestyle. And obviously, I do plan on expanding it as much as I can. So go follow it, support me. So yeah, that's what I would do if not YouTube. How do you deal with negative comments / creepy comments on YouTube videos? It doesn't affect me at all, like 100% dead serious. I actually find it quite funny. So when I had started my YouTube channel, I was very well aware of the fact that you do receive negative comments at some point. And I was actually kind of excited when I started my channel, thinking ki jab mujhe aayega negative comment, that's when I know I've done something, because people are actually taking out time of out of their day to comment something bad. So I don't find it like, it doesn't hurt me at all. It's quite fun for me to read it actually. So the next question is, if not DIY, lifestyle, makeup, fashion videos, what other kind of videos would you make? Singing or dancing? Most definitely no singing or dancing videos. Zyada se zyada vlogs. I don't know, man. This is what I do. Like, I love DIY videos and I think I should stick to that. Best memory of 2019. 2019 has been great so far, honestly. If I had to pick one, I don't think I can pick one. I'll give you two. So the first one being obviously receiving my 100k plaque button, like the silver play button, / hitting 100k subscribers. And the second one being Simba Lifestyle. So we launched the 2019 planner and we had to restock it for the second time, and the second time it sold out like in like 15 minutes or so. So that was really exciting. I really didn't expect that to happen, and that experience just showed me that I need to believe in myself more and just not double guess myself, I guess. Do you ever wish you had a sibling? No, not really. I'm very happy being an only child. Now addressing my new backdrop and just like changes in general. So a lot of you guys had speculations if I've moved out of my parents' house, or the other half were pretty much accurate, that I have a studio, a space to shoot videos. And you guys are right. This is my new studio. I'm gonna make a room tour, a studio tour really soon. And so basically why I have this space is, first of all, to film videos. I just wanted like some space because my bedroom was just getting too, like the space is just too small and it was creatively restrictive. So A, for that. And secondly, the major reason why we have this space is for Simba Lifestyle. So basically our new product is gonna launch next week, and we've ordered a lot, like in bulk, and there was just no way we could stock it up in my room. So this is gonna act as like a warehouse / a studio. So many DIY videos are coming really soon. This I've made as well, and a lot of the other things. So DIY videos coming soon, studio tour coming soon. I hope you guys are really excited for this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the link in the description box below to check out more details about the workshop. I'm really excited to see you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the little bell to get notified. And follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.